Wow, look at this.
There, I will.
Oh my goodness.
I will.
That's scary.
I will sit in front of it.
Do you guys think it's a male or a female?
Males have those males have those
Look at the
shiny
feather.
feathers to attract females, so that's male.
He got aggressive. Do not free to approach.
I wonder if it just hangs out there since it's freaking... King, come here. Why? He's too close to it. See, look at him. He's giving me the side eye.
It's beautiful. Got the peacock chilling right here. Alright.
Ooh, look at that.
We're gonna try to go to the waterfall.
Look at that.
So, waterfall pond, swimming, life jacket required, please obey.
That's ugly,
So
right?
this way we're going to take a little hike.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
We're heading to the waterfall, y'all.
Come here, boy.
That's where people used to live here.
Oh, big grills live here.
Let's go in. I want to see. Come on, go. Let's go. Let's take a walk in.
It's a replica.
It's an old house. People used to live here in the jungle. No, we can't go in. Stay on track. Come over here. Wow, look at that, huh?
That's cool.
That's how they survive out here.
You can't go in there?
No, they say don't go in there.
Why?
I mean, that's they building stuff. Where is it? King! Oh, right there.
Almost there. You can hear it. You can hear it.
We're almost at the waterfall. Surrounded. Found it right there, the waterfall. King, you at the waterfall?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you say? Where are we?
In Hawaii.
We're here, y'all. We made it to the waterfall.
Yeah, welcome.
Hey, Nila? Having fun?
And it's a good workout.
Yes, it is.
30 minutes wasn't that bad.
King's wait. Wow, look at that. We sit over here.
Water pushes right in, it pushes me out.
Hey, we at the waterfall. Very beautiful out here with the family. You can see the waterfall. Enjoying it. Yeah.
What kind of animals up there?
There's all types of animals. And sure heading back from the waterfall. Right, King? So it's a 30-minute walk, that's what they say, but if you slow speed walk, it should be like 15 minutes, to be honest with you. Beautiful scenery, as you can see.
That's freezing, right?
Yeah, as long as you jump in, it'll fine. The water's fine, right? Once you put your whole body in?
Yeah. And I swim.
Yeah, good job.
And I was still a little freezing.
So this is like the main part where they got they serve food, alcohol. I think they got souvenirs. And then you go this way, That's the entrance to pay admission, go to the waterfall and stuff. Yeah, you know, out there in Massachusetts, we have they have seagulls. Out here, Hawaii, we have chicken. Chicken on the beach.
Chicken everywhere.
Chicken eating chicken.
That's cool.
We feeding them chicken. That's funny, huh? They love chicken, huh? On the beach.
Alright, God, get away!
Like wild chicken.
You're wild, no, go away. Go bye-bye.
Again?
We're out here on the beach. We have the rock over there, people jumping off. Might try do a little fishing.
Baby. Just umbrella. Mommy cold.
And the waterfall thing was down there where we came from, the waterfall. Yeah, we out here in Hawaii at the Waimea Beach at the rock. I'm not sure I'm saying it correctly, but I know this is the rock. As you can see, we're about to do a little quick fishing over here, try it out. I got my portable rod over here. I do want to jump the rock, but I'm gonna do that some other day when I come back next time. But now we're gonna try do some little fishing. All right, so stay tuned. Got the sea turtle. Oh, they just went back down.
Don't fall.
I just look like a king. Is Nila's hot? Oh, the sea turtle's gone. People fishing, nice fishing area here.
Oh wait, my coworker.
So view here.
Hey, how's Hawaii?
Beautiful. We're heading back to Waikiki. Waikiki, aloha.